Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and show you what the custom apps are all about here and how you can integrate them into your Facebook page. You'll notice here the very first one on the left hand side here is photos. That's the only one that we can't customize the location and really what photo is going to be there. It takes the most current photo that you've uploaded and does a little thumbnail of it there for you. You can't change the location of that, as opposed to all the ones that follow. You can now change the desired location. So for example, we actually have 8 different apps here, or custom apps. Actually, we only have 7 because we can't do anything with the photos, but we can do 2 things with these. We can actually customize these. So you can see this first one here has the new fans look and feel, and it has new fans here. We have our inner sweepstakes here. We have our events pages here. You'll notice down below over here we have get a free pass. So that's our free workshop. If you haven't already opted into our database, you can actually opt into our database to receive a free workshop pass to one of our online webinars that we hold. Currently we're holding right now every Tuesday for 7 weeks through the end of May. And they cover everything from Facebook and Twitter to YouTube, LinkedIn, Hootsuite, and a few, and email marketing with Constant Contact. So you learn how to really optimize your campaign, and for the do-it-yourselfers, it's a great way to eliminate the learning curve. So what you will notice is that when you hover over one of these custom applications, you have a new little pin tool right here. And if we click on that, I apologize, there we go. You'll notice you have a few different options. It first allows you to swap places with an existing custom app. So if we wanted to swap this with our events, our upcoming events custom app here, we could do so by just simply clicking on events, or likes, or map for that matter. So there's also these other ones that we can swap with as well. The new fans here, our secondary welcome page, our inner sweepstakes, we can also move them there. But the big thing is that we want you to understand that you can edit your settings for these custom apps. So we can simply hit the edit settings, and you'll see here this allows us to customize the tab name. So this is where you can put in your calls to action that will be listed right below the thumbnail. So for example, on the free pass one here, we have free workshop. You need to make sure whatever you type in there that you hit the save button before you move to change the custom image. But because if you don't, then it will not save the text that you put in there. So it's very important that after you type in the text or the call to action, then make sure you hit save. Once you hit save, then you can change your tab image by hitting change. And you can see here we're not going to change this free pass thumbnail. But if you wanted to change it, you would simply hit the change button once the page refreshed here. And when you hit the change button, you can upload your new thumbnail. The thumbnail size is 111 pixels by 74 pixels. So to really maximize and optimize the full thumbnail, make sure that you're creating a graphic that is 111 pixels by 74 pixels. And then once you've changed the image, you'll see it. You should see the new thumbnail here. We're not going to change this one, but if you're changing yours, you'll see the new thumbnail. Once you see that, you can go ahead and close out that page, and you'll come back here and you would hit OK to save the changes you just made. And that is the gist of custom apps for now. Now we're going to go ahead and go into the administration panel here in just 1 second. So let me take you there.